What's up guys, and welcome to Belgrade. As you can see, they have this super old school elevators in most of the buildings here. We wanted to do a quick video and show you around the apartment that we rented. We are in the neighborhood of Dorchko, which is a pretty cool neighborhood close to most of the amenities. And for about between 1,000 or let's say 800 to 1,400 a month on Airbnb, you can find a really nice, well-located apartment, and it roughly goes between $40 to $70 per night if you were gonna do it on a nightly basis. We also found out that long-term rentals around this area go for roughly between 5 to 800 euros per month. So we have a pretty comfortable one-bedroom apartment with a nice living space here, just a comfy sofa, TV. Just to tell you a little bit, the internet works quite fast here in the city. This is kind of what the neighborhood looks like. Today is super cloudy, but overall we have totally loved Belgrade. The neighborhood feels super safe. We've been walking everywhere, especially at night, no problem. Hey baby, you ready? We're actually packing up and ready to leave after 1 month of living here. We had a full kitchen, a nice dining table here that was pretty much our work table for the past few weeks. A full bathroom here with the nice addition of having a washer inside of the apartment, which is always a big plus. And then we have the one bedroom here, which is all messy since we're packing up and leaving with a full closet in there. So there it is guys. Wanted to give you a quick tour of what an apartment looks in Belgrade. Something else that we love here in Dorchko, which is the neighborhood that we're staying, is that there's so many things to do nearby. This is our supermarket, which was actually just 5 minutes from the apartment. What's up, doggo? Cute doggo just walking randomly in the streets. But yeah, look, there's a trolley passing by. We have definitely fallen in love with Belgrade. There's so much to do. Everything is super nearby. You can walk everywhere. What is something else that you have loved about this city?
I don't know, like every time you go out you can find anything you want. So they have like bars, restaurants, places to go. So I think that's pretty cool, and that you can walk everywhere. That's what I love most. It's like walking. You don't have to have a car to just go somewhere. And the public transportation is really good as well.
Yeah, the bus system and the trolley is pretty good. They're doing a lot of construction. That's something that we've been looking. The city, the new Belgrade and the waterfront, it's having all these fancy new buildings. So we are definitely looking forward to coming back and checking out what the city would look like in a couple of years. So definitely highly recommend you come and check out Belgrade.